Are you looking for the best webcams for streaming? In this video we will look at some of the best webcams for streaming. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HyperX Vision S. HyperX's first webcam, the Vision S, is my go-to for everything from Zoom calls for work, to Discord movie nights with friends, and whenever I get a free moment to actually stream on Twitch. The wide, 90-degree field of view gives you plenty of framing space to set up interesting backgrounds like neon signs or reactive RGB lighting without making you feel cramped on screen. It can record and live stream in up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, and at up to 60 frames per second at 1080p HD. It connects to your PC via USB, and features plug-and-play compatibility with Windows, Chrome OS, and Mac OS devices. This means you don't have to download any extra software or apps to start using your Vision S, but to be able to take full advantage of features like in-camera white balance, you'll need the HyperX Ingenuity desktop app. And with a magnetic privacy cover, you can quickly cover the lens when not in use to prevent accidental recordings or unauthorized viewing. Number 2. Logitech Brio 100. If you're just starting out on YouTube, Twitch, or TikTok, the Logitech Brio 100 is a great, affordable webcam option. It retails under $50, making it one of the cheapest on the market while still offering 1080p resolution and a 30 frames per second frame rate. It connects to your computer via USB, and has plug-and-play support for Windows, Mac, and Chromebook laptops. A built-in privacy shutter lets you block the lens when not in use to prevent spying or unauthorized recording. The Brio 100 also uses Logitech's Right Light algorithm to automatically boost output brightness in dim environments, letting you look your best without having to invest in expensive lighting equipment. And with the Logi Option Plus desktop app, you can create custom settings for autofocus and more for faster setup during recording or live streaming. Number 3. Insta360 Link. The Insta360 Link is a 4K webcam that can pull double duty for work and live streaming. It features a 3-axis gimbal head which allows it to pan side to side, up and down, and diagonally. And with an AI-assisted tracking algorithm, you'll always be center frame. The Insta360 Link even has overhead and desk view positioning settings, which automatically move the lens to focus on your tabletop for art streams, model building, or miniature painting. Znet's Carry1 got to go hands-on with the Insta360 Link, and compares the video output quality from the half-inch sensor to that of a DSLR camera. He also praised the ultra-fast autofocus as well as its consistency with detecting objects close to the camera. Number 4. GoPro Hero 12 Black. GoPro is far and away the top name in action cameras, and the Hero 12 Black is the absolute best you can buy for content creation. It can record video in up to 5.3K resolution at up to 60 frames per second or at up to 240 frames per second at 1080p. And with the truly ultra-wide 177-degree field of view, you'll be able to capture more action or landscape shots. Travel vloggers and sports content creators will love the long battery life, up to 70 minutes of continuous shooting at 5.3K/60 fps or over 2.5 hours recording at 1080p/30 fps. Znet's Adrian Kingsley Hughes got to test out the GoPro Hero 12 Black, and was able to get similar run times. Though he does recommend bringing along extra batteries or an external power source for long-form videos like time-lapses or all-day shoots. High dynamic range video plus photo, Hero 12 Black takes its best in-class image quality to the next level with HDR for both videos, 5.3K and 4K, and photos. Great in environments with both shadows and bright light, HDR captures the subtle details of the scene that might typically blend into the darkness of shadows or disappear in the bright spots of your shot. The result is dynamic footage with true-to-life color and precision. Unbelievable image quality, with 5.3K video that gives you 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p, Hero 12 Black captures the action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality with high dynamic range, HDR, while also taking 27MP photos. You can also grab stunning photos up to 24.7MP of your favorite shots from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. Emmy Award-winning HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, HyperSmooth continues to set the bar for insanely smooth footage and has the hardware to back it up, a 2021 Emmy for in-camera sensor and software stabilization. Hero 12 Black makes it even better by maximizing hypersmooth auto boost performance with more stabilization while still delivering less image cropping. Bike, skate, ski, chase your kids through the park or get awesome pet POV shots, even the shakiest footage comes out silky smooth. Rugged plus waterproof to 33 feet, 10 meters, completely waterproof and as tough as ever, Hero 12 Black is ready to capture the fun on any adventure. Its legendary durability can take a beating and keep going, whether you're ripping through mud, snow or water, down to 33 feet/10 m. A water-repelling lens cover even helps eliminate lens flare and other artifacts to make your photos and videos even more stunning. What's included? Hero 12 Black, Enduro rechargeable battery, curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle plus thumb screw, USB-C cable. Number 5. Logitech Mevo Core. Logitech's new Mevo Core has a micro 4/3 image sensor that outperforms typical webcams in low light and resolution, and comes with an HDMI port, 2 USB-C ports, and is Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth capable. This capability is handy as it allows you to manage the camera with the Mevo Multicam mobile app, making changing camera zoom, focus, and exposure settings quick and easy. It also touts having an AI autodirector to allow streamers and content creators with multiple Mevo Core cameras to switch views and camera angles. The image quality on the Mevo Core is outstanding. This is not your average webcam. You can expect better performance in low light, but the performance in controlled lighting, such as in a home studio, is top tier. This is the webcam for seasoned creators with an established history and workflow that are looking to upgrade their existing set. Due to pricing, it's harder to recommend the Mevo Core to newer creators and streamers, especially if you're on a budget.